Hey everybody, today we're going to show how to put an icon on your desktop so that you can have an easy way to get to a program without looking it up, or something that you've copied off of the internet. Okay, we're going to go down to the left hand side of your screen, click on it, left click, and go up to all programs. I'm going to pick out a program here. There's a good one. Left click it, or right click it rather. Now we're going to go to Send to Desktop. That was real easy. There it is. We'll double click it, and there's the program. That's how we get a program on the desktop that you want to find an easy way to get to. Okay, I don't want that on my desktop, so I'm going to erase it. Go down to Delete. That's just deleting the shortcut. It's not deleting the program itself. Okay, now we're going to go down to a browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Double click it. Okay, it opened up. I'm going to go up and type in YouTube because I don't have it saved to my favorites. Okay. Left click it. Okay, YouTube opened up. Now I'm going to go over the right hand side and open up my channel because I don't want to get in a hassle with using somebody else's video. So I'll use the latest one that I made. Okay, there's my channel. Now we'll just click on the last video. Close down the advertisement. There, going up to the top of the address bar, left click it, highlight it, and right click, highlight it, copy. And we can close it down now. We'll go back to desktop, right click, go down to new, and then up to shortcut. Click it, and it'll ask you to paste in that address that you just got off the address bar that you copied. Okay, now it's going to ask for a name. I typed in a name. Okay, there it is, right there. Watch, we're going to click on it, and it'll take us right back to that video that we were just watching. There it is. I'm going to close it down again. Now what I'm going to do is I don't like that icon, so I'm going to change it to a different icon. Click on it, we go to Properties, and we go to Change Icon. And there's the new icon that I chose. I'll double click it. And it takes us right back to the same video again. Alright everybody, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped somebody out. If not, take care, and we'll talk to you again another day. Goodbye. Hey ladies and gentlemen, folks, I hope you enjoyed that video. Some of them I like, some I'm not crazy about, but once they're on the camera and I go to editing, you get what you get. If you did like it, I've got over 150 other videos posted. You go down here, at the end, this little blurb on the end, there'll be a thumbs up symbol come up, little icon. If you click on that, it'll take you to the rest of my videos. At the bottom of this video, if you give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. Write a comment. If you don't like it, write a comment, then maybe I can change things. Thanks for watching. Take care.